guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be tracking my expenses for the first week of July 2022 in my budget planner, and I do track that just to make sure that I am keeping up with what I spend on a weekly, bi-weekly, monthly basis, and that is all of the cash that is coming out of my cash envelope wallet. So this is just for daily spending. And I do use my Micro Happy mini notes. I keep this in my purse or I keep this in the car. So when I spend something at the store, I just write it down and it helps so much. All right, so if that is something that you want to see, or you want to see if you can try this to track your spending, please stay tuned, guys. So let me go ahead and I'm gonna grab my stickers. Now this book right here, it is an oldie but goodie. Well, not oldie but goodie, but it is an older book that Michael's used to carry. It's by Recollection. It's a sticker book, so you may be able to find this on some like secondhand websites like Mercari or Poshmark or something like that. But I have been checking the store because I was gonna let you guys know if they had some in there, but I have not seen any in Michael's. All right, so let's go ahead and get our stickers. So I'm gonna get my no spend stickers, and this is just to track my no spend days. And we are going to go get some label stickers so that we can track our spending. That's how I do it. It's fun for me. I use stickers. You don't have to use stickers to track your, you can just use highlighters, or you can just basically use a pen. But I like fun stuff, so I just always use my stickers. Okay, all right, so let's go to our month at a glance calendar. Let's get some room here. All right, so this here is just my little key ledger. This is so I know which stickers to use to track. And then if I decide to change it, I can always peel these back up and put some more. And I'm gonna put my markers there. All right, so let's go ahead and go to the day that we need. Okay, so we're working on July. The month is going by super fast. I'm gonna move my little thing up here so we can see. All right, so on the 1st, I had a no spend day, so I didn't spend anything. And even though I do have a bill coming out, well, came out, I don't count that as a spend day because that is already accounted for, and it is coming out of my checking account for my budget by paycheck. So this is just spending, y'all, spending. Okay, so on Saturday, the 2nd, did go to Kroger's and I got some groceries. So that is $97.09. So groceries is blue. Maybe the blue sticker. And I usually write it on the sticker thing. I don't know what I got going on now, but we'll try this. And I have this little thing back here, so hopefully I can write on this. All right, so we got $97.09. And we got Kroger's. That was for blue. All right, so next we have Dollar Tree. I got a couple personal things, and personal is pink. And I hate even saying Dollar Tree anymore because it's not $1. You know what I'm saying? It's like, y'all need to make it $1.25 store. That's what you need to do. Need to be doing. Okay. All right, so that's on the 2nd too. So we're gonna do this. And then we're gonna do Dollar Tree. And then $5.25. I could not get my fingers right to get the sticker off. That's what took me so long, y'all. I was like struggling. All right, so next we have on the 3rd, we didn't spend anything. All right, so then we have on the 4th, we didn't spend anything, which is good because I want to have no spend days. All right, so on the 5th, we did do Blue Ridge Eat Out. That was $7.35. I think I did that on my lunch. Yeah, that's like a barbecue place. It's actually really, really good. So my groceries and food, I put that all together, all in one. All right, so now I'm getting crazy with the stickers. They're going sideways. Okay, so $7.35. So we got Blue Ridge. Can't spell. Okay, so next we have Kroger's. I went to get some groceries. I remember I couldn't wait. So that is $07.07. So on the 6th, let me go ahead and do my no spend because like I said, I like to keep track of those. All right, so that is on the 6th. All right, so on the 7th, with the eat out. And it was actually really, really good, y'all. Really, really good. Okay, so we have, I'm still talking about Blue Ridge. And I'm on Kroger's for gas. I mean, not for gas, for groceries. So that tells y'all that my food was really good. Okay, so next we have salad eat out. And y'all remember I have an envelope for Crisp. I did a different salad place. It was good, I'm not gonna lie. And I told y'all that in my last video. It was actually really good, but Crisp still has my heart, y'all. Still has my heart. Okay, so let's see, salad. We're gonna do eat out, and then that was $14.20. I got some I got a salad, and then I got some, like, a couple slices of pizza too. So I know you probably was like, where day 14, but at Crisp what I get, usually the salad's like $13 or whatever. I don't know, I just add all these toppings, but it is like a huge salad, so maybe I might downsize my salad and it might be a little bit cheaper next time. But I know I get the largest one they got. All right, so car, yeah, I get the largest one. So maybe that is why I pay that much for it. I need to check it out next time. Okay, so for the 9th, oh, look, y'all. Okay, so we're gonna do some dissecting here. All right, let's do this. Here we go again. Okay, so let's do, all right, so the salad was on the 9th, and then we had a no spend on the 8th. I told y'all, it is like, when I say it's early, and I can't function. All right, so next we have 7-10, and I am not afraid to show you guys my mistake. Okay, so we got $50, and then we got Kroger's, and that's gas. Let me put gas here. Okay, so that's what we have. So without all of the pulling the stickers back up, this is what it looks like when I do my tracking of my spending. Like I said, with your budget, make it fun, make it so that you can track, so that way I can go back and say, this is what I spent on this day. Now, some of you guys might tell me, Tina, that is a bit much, but this is what I do because I like to go back on the week and I like to see exactly how much I spent for each week, and then I can kind of compare and kind of cut back on things. So basically how I do this is I just write Kroger's, category, groceries, 97.09, and I put if it's a need or a want. So this was a need because we need groceries. So we got Dollar Tree, and this is personal, and this was $5.24, and this was a need because it was stuff that I need, like personal health stuff. All right, so Blue Ridge, and this is eat out, and this, well, food, eat out food, and this was not a need, that was definitely a want, because I think actually I brought my lunch and I was like, let me just go up here, and like I said, that happens. Okay, so this was groceries, and that was $100, and this was definitely a need. So we got $7.09, so we got salad, eat out, and this was eat out food. Even though I did have the money in my cash envelope, this was definitely a want. It's something that I actually didn't need, but it was so good. All right, so we're gonna do car, and then 50. Okay, so that was exactly a need. So that way I can see if it's something that I actually needed or something that it was like, Tina, come on now. You didn't really need that, but you know what? Treat yourself, it's fine. All right, so then what I do is basically, I come down here and I do boxes. So I'd have groceries, food, and then I do, the other box would be personal, all right, and then we have car. And I got enough markers. Good job, Tina. All right, so what I do now is I go all of my groceries and my food, so I just basically highlight it. So I do groceries, food, and eat out. So this is all together. So I do put it in that color. And then it's kind of like my monthly bill tracker closeout that I do the same thing, like categorize everything. So this is going to be personal, and then what's left is car. Okay. So next what I do is I just basically add all of the grocery stuff up, so and food. So 97.09 plus 735 plus 100 plus 14.20 makes it easier to look at it and see. So that's $218.64. This I don't have to add on a calculator. So we have personal, which is $524, and then we have car, which is $50. Okay, so then I do totals spent this week, and then I just basically add all of these totals up. And then this just shows me exactly what I've spent for the whole week. You know what I'm saying? So that way I can just come to, even though I do have it on my calendar, because this just breaks it down on the day, but this right here tells me, hey, you spent $218.64 for groceries this week. Is it something that you can do to cut back? And then for personal, you spent $524. And then for your car, you spent $50 in gas. And then this is my total. So that will also help me with kind of figuring out my cash envelopes, what I need to put, if I need to put more in there or if I need to put less in my cash envelopes. So that is pretty much how that works out. You know what I'm saying? All right. So guys, thank you so much for joining me with this video. We are pretty much done. And if you did like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, because you know I do appreciate it so much. Like, comment, and share. Be sure to follow me on my Instagram, and I need to put this back in here so I will not lose it. And then also follow me on my TikTok. It's called 𝗗𝗓𝗗𝗡. And then, like I always say, until next time, guys, peace.